Hi everyone, welcome to day 2. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm not going to read a book. Instead, I'm going to show you a free website online that you can use at home to help with math. So the website is called Math Before Bed. You can find it at www.mathbeforebed.com, and they just released all of their digital resources to be free. So I highly recommend going online and purchasing as many digital resources as you can. I bought 6 of them and I didn't even have to put in my credit card information because, again, it's all free right now, which is awesome. So Math Before Bed is a way for parents and kids to just be thinking about math either around dinner time, at bedtime. It's normally a little prompter problem each day. So I'm going to show you 3 different pictures from the Math Before Bed. I went to the 180 days prompt list. So basically they give you one thing you can do each day, one math question or picture to look at. They're all fun. And for a lot of them, there's no one right answer. It's just all about how you think. So I went to the 180 days and I did, sorry, my cat's here with me. Hi. I did the first chapter, which is on number sense and numeracy. So I'm going to show you my computer and I'll hold up the images. Omar. Sorry, my cat is very excited about the plastic bag on the ground. I'm going to show you each image and you can pause the video and either by yourself, with a friend, with a parent, you can either talk about it or you can write it down, okay? So our first image is a bunch of cards, okay? And the question is, how many cards and how did you count? So again, I want you to think the cards are laid out in a certain way. What is an efficient way that you could use to count those cards? Feel free to pause this video. That was our first one. I could see some of our friends in 3rd grade and older using some skip counting strategies, hint, hint, in order to count the cards, but even if you're in kindergarten, you could still count them. Okay, our second one is which one doesn't belong. So if you don't know the routine of which one doesn't belong, it shows you some pictures, normally 4, and asks you to find a way that each one doesn't belong. You can just do one of them and say why it doesn't belong, but I always try to challenge myself to figure out why each image might not belong with the rest. The great news is there's no one right answer. Every single one of these images could not belong with the rest. So I'm going to show you the picture and I'm going to give you an example. On the bottom right, the 4 carrots in the bowl, I could say that that picture, those carrots in that bowl, does not belong because it's the only vegetable in a bowl. It can be that easy. Or you can use some more numerical and math terms to decide which one doesn't belong. So again, feel free to pause this to take a longer look. You can talk with some friends or you can write it down. You can also challenge yourself to make your own which one doesn't belong pictures, either by drawing 4 things or by taking photographs of things that you place on a table or the floor. And we have one more for today, okay? This one you can see 3 different dot patterns. 4. And it says, count the circles. How did you count them? Use this to think, how can I count how many circles and how can I use the patterns to help me? Again, pause if you need to. Well, that's all I have for today. Tomorrow I might be back with more things from Math Before Bed. I might be back with a book or maybe a math game. I'm not sure yet. But thanks for tuning in. And again, this website is free and there are tons of resources. I downloaded 6 packs and these were just 3 pages of one of the packs that I downloaded. So it's mathbeforebed.com. Thanks so much. Have a great night. I wish you well.